In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users on HubSpot quickly and easily. If you're new to HubSpot or need a refresher on how to invite team members to your account, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do so in just a few minutes. Whether you're expanding your team or just want to ensure everyone has the right access, knowing how to add users to HubSpot is an essential skill. So let's jump in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and heading to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so fill those in and you'll be on your way to accessing your HubSpot account. After you log in, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub where all the magic happens. From here, you'll have access to all the tools and features HubSpot offers. But today, our focus is on adding new users, so let's keep moving forward. Look towards the upper right corner again and find the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear. Click on settings, and this will take you to where you can manage various account details. The settings section is like the back end of your HubSpot account, and it's where you'll oversee user management among other things. Within the settings menu, find the option that says users and teams. Click on it, and this will bring you to the page where all current users are listed and where you can manage team memberships. Here, you can see who is already part of your HubSpot account and the permissions they have. Now, to add a new user, you'll want to look for the Create User button. It's usually prominent and easy to spot on this page. Click on it, and you'll be guided through the process of creating a new user profile. This will involve entering their email address and setting permissions or team roles as necessary. Make sure you have the right email address for each person, as this is crucial for sending them invitations and ensuring they have the right access from the get-go. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, confirm your choices and an invitation will be sent to the new user's email address. They just have to accept it and they'll be added to your HubSpot account with the permissions and roles you've assigned them. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your HubSpot account. This straightforward process helps you efficiently manage and grow your team, ensuring everyone can collaborate effectively using all that HubSpot has to offer. Thanks for joining me today and happy adding.